New meanings: fantasy, imaginative fiction involving magic and adventure. Whisked, take or move someone or something somewhere suddenly and quickly. Cyclone, a tropical storm. Eventful, marked by interesting or exciting events. Ditch, a deep opening or gap in the ground. Jagged, with rough, sharp points poking out. Shaggy, long, thick, and untidy. Dent, a slight hollow in hard, even surface. Crouch, a position where the knees are bent and the upper body is brought forward and down in preparation for jumping. Mane, a growth of long hair on the neck of a lion or horse. Gulf, a very deep opening or gap in the ground. First rate, the best, excellent. Snarling, growling angrily with the teeth bared. Brutes, savagely violent animals. Meadows, grasslands. Read the words. Write other words which have the same ending. Eventful, full, travelers, earth, despairingly, ly, carefully, fully, full, potful, dreadful, forgetful, merciful, earth, singers, hawkers, dancers, sellers, ly, sharply, slowly, quickly, clearly, fully, beautifully, gracefully, awfully, boastfully. List the characters in the story and write a few lines about each of them. Dorothy. Dorothy is a sweet and simple girl who was whisked by the cyclone along with the dog Toto to the wonderful land of Oz. Tin Woodman. Tin Woodman has also come to the wonderful land of Oz in need of a heart. He uses his axe to chop down a tree to create a bridge to help his friends cross it. Tin Woodman helps his friends on the journey to the wonderful land of Oz. The Scarecrow. The Scarecrow lacks intelligence, so he wants a brain from the wizard with good ideas to escape dangerous situations. Cowardly Lion. The Cowardly Lion lacks courage. He needs some bravery from the Wizard of Oz. Later, he proves to be more courageous than the others and helps his friends in many difficult situations. Right in short, how the travelers crossed the first ditch. The travelers had been walking in the forest for an hour when they came across a great ditch that divided the forest. They could not proceed. The ditch was wide and steep. It had jagged rocks at the bottom. The scarecrow comes up with an idea. He requested the lion to carry everyone one by one on his back and jump to the other side of the ditch. The lion was successful in doing this. In this way, the travelers crossed the first ditch. Write how the travelers crossed the second gulf. After crossing the first gulf and ditch, the travelers traveled some distance and came across another gulf that was broader and deeper than the first ditch and gulf. It was impossible for the lion to jump across. The scarecrow came up with an idea. He asked Tin Woodman to chop the tree near the ditch in such a way that it fell across the gulf, creating a bridge. The travelers successfully crossed this gulf too. Which events in the story tells us that the scarecrow was intelligent. When the travelers came across the two ditches, it was the scarecrow's idea that helped them cross the ditch. It was because of the scarecrow's timely advice that the snarling brutes were put to death. The lion was brave. The lion very bravely jumped over the first ditch, taking each of the traveler on his back one by one and landed safely to the other side of the ditch. Imagine you are the lion and someone is interviewing you. Write the answers to the following questions. Who were your companions on the way to Oz? Dorothy and her dog Toto, the Tin Woodman, and the Scarecrow were my companions on my way to Oz. How did you take the others across the ditch? Were you afraid? After measuring the distance of the ditch, I felt I could jump over it. Then, as the Scarecrow suggested, I took each one of them, one after the other, on my back and safely landed on the other side of the ditch. I was scared the first time I jumped across the ditch with the Scarecrow on my back. But when we reached the other side safely, My fright disappeared. Were you afraid of the Kalidas? Why did you decide to fight with them? It is true that I was afraid of the Kalidas. They were such dreadful and fierce beasts. Among my friends, I was the one who looked big and ferocious. I felt that my friends believed in me, and also I loved my friends dearly. That is why I decided to fight the Kalidas for as long as I could. What did it feel like after we were out of the forest? It felt wonderful and great. We had actually reached the beautiful city of Oz, and all of us were delightful.